Hi mga millennials! Itutur ko kayo sa isa sa magandang resort dito sa Deca Clark, ang The Unit.
Located at Block
Let's
91, Lot
G!
1, Iris Street, Deca Clark, Margot, Angeles City, Pampanga.
So meron siyang swimming pool dito guys. 3 feet, 4 feet, hanggang 5 feet. So at least pwede siya sa pambata and pang-adults. Wow!
Mga millennials, pagpasok ko pa lang dito sa kanilang living area, mararamdaman mo na ang kanilang cozy at good vibes na perfect for family and barkada getaway. Malakas ang kanilang wifi, kaya perfect ito kung gusto nyo manood ng TV or mag-karaoke. Malinis at mabango na toilet. Meron din silang induction kung trip nyo magluto dito guys. Or microwave, of course, meron silang refrigerator. Sa second floor naman ang kanilang dalawang rooms na meron mga extra foam just in case marami kayo guys. Mafe-feel nyo dito guys ang privacy at relaxation, yung tipong marerelax ka talaga at maa-unwind. Affordable and cozy private villa, this place is perfect for you. For bookings, rates, and availability, just inquire on their Facebook page for more information. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just simply looking for a peaceful getaway, book your next getaway and create unforgettable memories with your family and friends. Don't forget to like and follow this video, and thank you for watching. Love, love, love!